So are you trying to grow a YouTube channel and you're getting a little bit despondent with the slow growth that you're seeing? Well, this video might show you some encouragement as I go through a tool called socialblade in order to try and predict the future growth of my channel in order to keep regularly posting videos and to see that steady but incremental growth. So at the time of recording this video, my channel is still very junior, but I want to try and make a record of where it's at now so I can refer to this video in the future. But I'm going to be showing the back end of my YouTube studio, the analytics part, and actually comparing it to see what socialblade is showing for my channel and to see the future predicted growth that socialblade sees. And the best thing about this is socialblade is absolutely free. You don't even have to create an account with socialblade. To start, I'm going to jump straight on over into my laptop and just show you around. So the first thing here is you can either Google socialblade or head to socialblade.com. And the first thing you're going to want to do is add in your handle. So it's mine is at Tim Peakman. So it's just going to show one result for Tim Peakman. This is my YouTube channel. And then this is going to give you a user summary. This is a little bit of a dashboard for you. So currently this is pulling through my YouTube channel. As you're watching this on my YouTube channel, if you are, this is my YouTube channel. So it's currently got 339 subscribers. Here it's 338, so it's one subscriber off. That's not so bad, but it gives you a total grade. So this grade, it sort of grades all of the YouTube channels out there. It gives you a socialblade rank, a subscriber rank, video views, and then what country you're ranked in. But this is the bit I really like. It actually shows you the total subscribers weekly over time, and then the total views weekly over time. So you can actually go and see this in your YouTube studio as well, but it actually breaks it down further for you. Remember, you don't have to actually get an account with socialblade. This is just pulling it or scraping it straight from your channel. This gives you a YouTube stats summary. Again, this is on the summary page, and this is what I like to see here. This is the YouTube analytical history for my channel. Now it's actually showing me month on month. You can see some growth in the monthly gained views for the videos here, and then the monthly gained subscribers. So at the moment they are both trending upwards, which is great. Again, caveating that this is a small channel. It's just over a year old, but I am producing weekly content. So there is no doubt that if I was to produce daily content, this channel would be growing faster than it is now. But you have to ask yourself, what are you building this YouTube channel for? For me, this is to fuel my life, and the long form content that I am committing to do is one long form piece of content a week. So this is actually showing me some decent results from what I am putting in, one long form piece of content a week, and this is actually growing steadily over time. So I'm quite happy with this growth. As you can see, it's coming up 39 subscribers or 66, 72 subscribers every month. So every month it is growing, and the views are growing as well. So I'm up to 5,000 video views per month. But the best thing I like about socialblade is the future projections. If you scroll down, if you click that tab and then scroll down to future projections, this gives you a tabulated future projection. So in 2 months, I could have 492, and I've gone ahead and looked back over the previous history, and it's actually been quite accurate to up until today. So in 4 months, 749. In 6 months, I should be crossing the 1,000 subscriber mark. And it's probably a little bit easier if you see it on these graphs here. So the first one is the future subscribers. So here I'm pretty much where I'm at today. If you are watching this in 6 months time, in a year's time, you can actually tell how accurate this is by looking at the number of subscribers I have now. But if you scroll up to, I'll be crossing the first, this is what socialblade is saying, I'll be crossing around the sort of 1,000 subscriber mark in 19th or March next year, in 2024. And here I'll be going up to like 100,000 views. That's in May next year as well. But if you have a look at this, this is all exponential growth. Most people actually look at graphs like this and say, oh, the exponential growth is happening here. But actually, this is exponential growth happening right now. So you've got to have a look and see, are you on the trajectory that you're happy with? If you're not happy in 5 years' time to get 46,000 subscribers, well then, you have to ask yourself, why are you doing this? But I'm very happy in 5 years' time. I'm in this for the long haul. If I produce one weekly piece of long form content and publish it and keep structured and content that's flowing out into YouTube, they're going to be rewarding me. So socialblade predicts with the subscriber counts and the view counts. Now, this is the tool that I have focused in on for my content creation. I create content for this platform and then redistribute across socials and across blog posts. But I'm quite happy and quite content with this steady growth. And I'm actually looking at this, getting encouraged to keep continually putting content out every single week. So comparing this to my actual YouTube, my YouTube studio. So it's, like I said, 339, 338. This is just ticked over in one more subscriber today. So it is actually scraping through pretty accurate information. And when I click into my analytics, this is what I want to see. I'm going to go through to the advanced mode and then click this out. What I like to have a look at is the maybe last year. Again, this channel is only just over a year old, and I like to look at the traffic source. And although your YouTube analytics can't give you future predictions, you can have a look at what you've done over the last 12 months. So I like to look at YouTube search, and then I like to click the total tab. So you can see here, and I have done videos on this previously, that there is steady, consistent growth. This is a result of me publishing one video a week. Steady, consistent growth. People are finding me through YouTube search, and you can see all the different keywords that people are actually finding me or this channel through YouTube search. If I go back to traffic source and then click suggested videos, and then again click total. So this is YouTube suggesting me on other videos or suggesting my channel. And as you can see, over the year, it's not as steady, but you can see that it is trending upwards, which is all you can do really if you're building a YouTube channel. And then the last one, I want to have a look at browse features maybe. And then I click total. Again, YouTube is showing me more and more in the browse features. So that's it. All I wanted to do is get a snapshot of your socialblade predictions versus your YouTube studio. From YouTube studio in your analytics, you can see all of the history, which is accurate YouTube data, and socialblade I use for a bit of a future projection if I am to continue on this rhythm by actually producing one piece of long form content a week. How accurate is socialblade? I think it's pretty accurate. It's just scraping the information from your YouTube channel, but it encourages me when I look at socialblade. If I continue on this trajectory, I can see exponential growth, and I can help more people by growing this channel and actually serving my audience. So hopefully this video has actually provided some value for you and actually provided you with a bit of motivation to keep plugging away at growing your channel. If you haven't already, get your handle and put it into socialblade and see your future predictions, because hopefully if you are happy with those future predictions, then you continue to grow your channel. But simply building a YouTube channel shouldn't be the end game for you. The building of the YouTube channel should be building the audience to actually serve them in a different way. So I use this YouTube channel to grow my own or fuel my own online business. And I've actually put together a free workshop on how I actually built this business, the entire business model, and how you can actually start earning your first $1,000 of online revenue. Head over to timpeakman.com/workshop to get your free on-demand access to this training today. So just remember to stay motivated, stay inspired, and I look forward to seeing you again on another video soon.